YouTube, what's happening? So the Blackhorn finna get ready to go into the shop, and they finna get ready to get put the tires on. Y'all know I went and got the tires from South Haven yesterday. So I told you guys I was bringing it to my my local shop, and Gateway Tire and Service Center. That's my local shop here in Greenville, Mississippi. They do all my tire work. Great guys, super professional. Like when I tell you these guys are amazing, they are super amazing. So they do all of my work, Greenville, Mississippi. So anyway, I just wanted to shoot, do this quick video, let y'all know what's going on, and finna get ready to go in here, chill for a little bit until they get the work in. But yeah, keep y'all posted. Again, I want to do a review on these tires. Not necessarily a review, but I mean, I'm curious to see like the difference between the tires that I had on there and the ones I just bought. They look better. Tread is much better. Tread design, should I say. Of course, the tread's better because they're new tires, but definitely curious to see how that goes. So you guys stay tuned. That's probably going to be a couple of videos away. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all a quick update. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you can see all the videos that we upload, or that I upload. All right, peace.